Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, secure the car on level ground, set the handbrake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety. Next, relieve pressure by removing the radiator cap, then drain the coolant into a container. Open the drain petcock or lower hose. Remove the engine cover and slip the serpentine belt off the water pump pulley. This gives you clear access. Once done, take off any brackets or hoses blocking the pump. Make sure to keep fasteners organized so reassembly is smooth. Now you tackle the core. Unbolt the water pump housing methodically, keeping bolts in order and noting any spacers. Remove the old pump and inspect the gasket surface for corrosion or residue. Clean it thoroughly so the new gasket seals properly. Before installing, compare the new pump to the old one, check bolt pattern, pulley alignment, and O-ring location so you don't reverse orientation. Once aligned, apply the gasket or sealant as instructed. Hand start bolts, then torque them in a star pattern to spec. Finish strong, reinstall the belt and any removed brackets, then reconnect the battery. Refill the cooling system with the recommended coolant mix to the proper level and secure the radiator cap. Start the engine with the heater on high to purge air. Watch the temperature gauge and top up the coolant as trapped air bleeds out and bubbles stop. After cooling, retorque the pump bolts if required and inspect for leaks. If you still see coolant loss, make sure the gasket is seated correctly and bolt torque is correct. Fix those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.